Inspect more, assume less. Your business will be more successful if you ask more questions and assume less. Anna had always loved baking and helping in her mother's bakery. She used the money she earned by working part-time at the bakery to help pay for school. But Anna still isn't earning enough to pay her tuition. One day, a friend of Anna's came into the store asking for a wedding cake. Julieta was known for her delicious pastries, but she had never made a wedding cake before. Anna thought this was a great opportunity to expand her mother's bakery and make more money. Anna asked what the friend wanted on her wedding cake. The friend didn't have a clear idea. She said that she trusted Anna to know her style. She only said that she wanted the cake in 2 colors. Anna didn't write down any notes and trusted that she could remember what her friend wanted. Later, Anna told Julieta about the wedding cake. Julieta helped Anna make and decorate that wedding cake. Anna thought she had a good understanding of what kind of wedding cake her friend would like. When it was time to use the 2 colors, Anna wasn't sure she remembered correctly, and she didn't have any notes from the meeting. So, she used colors she thought would work best. When the day of the wedding arrived and Anna and her mother delivered the cake, Anna's friend looked very disappointed. Anna looked around and realized that the wedding cake was too small. There would not be enough cake for all of the wedding guests. Anna's friend explained that Anna had used the wrong colors and that she did not like the style. Anna felt terrible. Julieta felt embarrassed. She wished Anna had asked more specific questions to find out exactly what her friend wanted. Anna realized she should have written everything down. She should have asked better questions and not assumed she knew what her friend wanted. Julieta told Anna's friend that the cake would be free because of their mistakes. Anna's friend still ended up using the cake in her wedding. Julieta told Anna that she would need to work off the cost of the wedding cake. That night, Anna helped her mother write a detailed order sheet. They would use it for future orders. They asked specific questions and would not assume anything next time. Inspect more, assume less. Your business will be more successful if you ask more questions and assume less.